Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to another makeup look today. So if you do hear anything, Rupert's still in my beauty room, so if you hear him shuffling about, it's just him. Yeah, he's just having a little bit of a play around at the moment. He's a little bit hyper, so yeah, just ignore the little bit of a hopping around that you can hear right there. But today I'm bringing you this very smoky full glam look. I know I'm doing a lot of full glam looks at the moment, but I've missed doing makeup videos on my channel, just missed doing makeup so much in general that I just feel like I've got lots of ideas and I've just missed playing around with makeup so much. But I promise you I will be doing some more neutral and natural looks. But obviously because it's Christmas, like next week, can you believe it? It's Christmas next week, I'm so excited. But yeah, as I said, because it's Christmas next week, I thought I would do some really glam makeup looks. Now this one is my favourite. I love a bold smoky eye. I haven't worn a smoky eye in a very long time, and I know I haven't put a smoky eye on my channel for a very long time as well, so I thought I would just go back to basics and use the Modern Renaissance Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, because I haven't used that for a while either. And yeah, I just forgot and missed how much I used to love these eyeshadows. They just melt like butter and blend away really pretty. And yeah, I just love this look. Even though it's very full glam, I think the skin still looks like really pretty. Rupert, be quiet please. But yeah, enough rambling on. If you want to see how I got this look, then please keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to follow me on my Instagram page. It's just at Jadevanessa Moseley, and as always I'll leave the name in one of these corners for you. But yeah, let's get started. Right, so dipping into the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, I'm going to be going in with the shade Burnt Orange. This is going to be blown out in my crease and on the outer corner. I want this look to be really warm, and then I want it to gradually go into a smokiness on the outer corner. So I'm literally just going to be blowing this out, and I will be taking my time a little bit longer today blending out the shades, just because we are going deeper and deeper into the shades we apply, so we may want to make sure they are nicely blended out together. Then I'm going to go in with the shade Eylure. That's how you pronounce it. It's like a burnt orange shade as well, just a little bit deeper than the first one. This is going to be going in my my outer corner and my outer crease as well. And then I'm going to be blending it out with the shade Burnt Orange again. Then to deepen up, I'm going to be going in with the shade Cypress Umber. That's how you pronounce it. I'm terrible at pronouncing shades, as you probably all know now. So I'm just going to be taking that on a flat BH Cosmetics brush and applying this to my outer corner. And then I'm literally going to be taking a smaller, denser brush and taking a little bit of that Eylure shade and blending out that brown shade, and then going back in with the burnt orange shade to blend it all nicely out together. And just make sure they all transition nicely in together as well. Now I swear to God I'm not talking to myself. Jake actually rang me because he's working in London this week. So I thought I'd answer the phone whilst I was recording, because why not? Then for the lid shade, I'm going to be going in with the shades Primavera and Vermeer. I'm awful at this, but they're going to be going on the inner half and the outer half of my lid, and I'm going to be blending it into the brown shade as well. And yeah, I just want a little bit of sparkle on there, because why not? It's Christmas, let's go all out and make it look completely glam. Then going in with the Pore Professional Primer by Benefit Cosmetics. I haven't used this for a very long time and I absolutely loved it. I put a little bit too much on, but never mind. And then I'm literally just going to be rubbing it into my face, just using my hands, because they are the best tools sometimes. Then I'm going to be going in with the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. This is in the shade Porcelain. I absolutely love this foundation. It doesn't matter what foundation I use before or after this, I always go back to this foundation, just because it is really buildable. You can wear it sheer and you can wear it full coverage. It blends out like a dream, and I just love the way it makes my skin look, and it lasts really well as well. As you all know, I blend my foundation out with a brush first and then a beauty blender, just because I do like the way it looks and it makes my skin look a lot more smoother, and it blends out the foundation foundation more smoother as well. So once I've applied and blended it with the brush, I'm going to be going in with a damp beauty blender and then just pressing it in to my skin to get that nice airbrush look. Then for concealer today, I'm going to be going in with the MARC Makeup Concealer, and I absolutely love this concealer. I haven't used it, put my teeth back in. I haven't really used it that much, but when I have started using it most recently, I absolutely love it. It's so soft and creamy. It blends out really nicely. I'm just using the shades medium and fair. As you can see, the shade fair is a little bit too light, so blending it in with the shade medium, it just matches my skin tone really nicely and gives that nice highlight effect as well. And then as I'm doing here, I'm just concealing some blemishes and some breakouts on my skin, and then I'm just going to blend it out with a damp beauty blender. Then to set everything in place, I know I'm using this a lot recently, but I absolutely love it. It's the Born This Way Too Faced translucent powder, and I absolutely love it. It works a dream, and I'm just in the shade Translucent, I believe. Yeah, I am. And I just apply this all over my face, bake a little bit, and then I brush the remaining powder that's left in the lid over the rest of my foundation, just set that in place as well. And my makeup just always looks nice with this powder over the top of it, and it lasts really good with this over the top of it as well. Moving back on to the eyes and working on the lower lash, I'm going to go in with the shade Real Gar and then go in with the shade Cypress Umber as well. I'm just deepening up the lower lash line. This will create your eyes look a lot more larger than what they are, and it just adds a little bit more definition underneath there. And then I'm just applying some mascara to the tops and bottoms of my lashes. Then I'm going in with the bronzer from Karl Lagerfeld and just literally bronzing up my face. I absolutely love this bronzer as well. It's really nice and subtle, and you can easily build it up to, you know, the intensity that you want. So yeah, I really do like this bronzer. I think it's in my top 5 bronzers recently because it's just really nice, and as you can see, it blends out really good as well. Then for blush, I'm going to go in with the I Heart Revolution blush. I forgot the shade, so I'll leave all the shades down below for you. And I need a new blusher. Can anyone suggest any nice blushes for me, because I really need some new ones. And then for highlights today, I'm going to go in with the Jouer highlighter. Can't remember the shade of this again, sorry, but I'm just applying this to my cheekbones, my cupid's bow and my nose, and then I'll also be applying it to my inner corner and brow bone as well. Then I'm just removing that baking I did underneath my cheekbone. Then I'm just going to line my lips, and I'm just using a lip liner from Amazon. They're just really cheap, and yeah, it's just a nice nude colour, and this will just prepare the lips for the lipstick. And the lipstick I'm going to be using is the Lip Paint Mattes by L'Oreal, I believe. This is like a really pretty nude. I didn't want anything too bright like red or pink. I just wanted a nice nude lip because I think it looked really nice with this look. And then I'm going to go in with the Sexy Mother Pucker lip gloss from Soap and Glory. And then once I've done this, I'll just be setting my face with the Makeup Revolution Oil Control Setting Mist. Right guys, so this is the end result. So yeah, as I was saying, this is the end result. I'm really happy the way it turned out. Again, today I just knew I wanted to do a smoky eye, but I didn't actually know what I wanted to do, and I'm really glad I picked up that Modern Renaissance palette because, as I mentioned in the beginning, I haven't used it for such a long time, and I forgot how perfect and well these eyeshadows blend out, and I think this will definitely be my Christmas Eve look. This year for New Year's Eve, me and Natalie have bagged ourselves a gig, so I'm really excited for that. It's extra money for us for over the Christmas period, and also yeah, I haven't done a gig for New Year's Eve in a very long time, so all our family's going to be coming to watch us, and I'm really super excited for that. So let me know what your plans are over the Christmas period, where you're going to be spending it with loved ones or going away on holiday, and I also want to know what you're going to be getting up to for New Year's Eve as well, because I feel like everyone gets, like, you know, proper prepared for New Year's Eve. So let me know what you're going to be getting up to. I'd love to find out. And also don't forget to follow me on my Instagram page. There'll be a lot of Christmas pictures being posted on there, and it'll be getting festive very soon on there as well. And also you won't miss out on when I'm going to be uploading my next video on here as well. So make sure you're going to follow me on there. I'll leave my name in one of these corners for you. But yeah, without further ado, I'm going to say bye to you all. Let this little one hop about a little bit, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video. But yeah, I love you all so much, and bye guys.